Welcome to Light of the Hills Ministries, and today we are going to be reading the Bible verse of the day, and it is Romans chapter 5 verse 1, therefore being justified by faith, we have peace with Yahweh through our Master Yahushua Messiah. This verse gives us a powerful truth: we are justified by faith. To be justified means to be made right. We cannot earn it through our own works or goodness. It comes through trusting in what Yahushua has done for us. Before faith, the heart often carries guilt, fear, and distance from Yahweh. But when we place our faith in Yahushua, something beautiful happens: peace replaces the distance. The struggle to prove ourselves ends because Yahushua has already made the way. This peace is not just a calm feeling, it is a restored relationship. Through Yahushua, we are no longer separated but welcomed into fellowship with Yahweh. We can come before Him with confidence, knowing we are accepted. When doubts or worries rise, remember this promise. Our standing with Yahweh is not built on our perfection but on our faith in Yahushua. Because of Him, we can rest in the peace that Yahweh gives. Abba Yahweh, thank you for the peace that comes through Yahushua. Thank you that we are made right with you through faith and not by our own strength. Help us to rest in this truth and to walk each day trusting in your grace. Fill our hearts with the peace that only you can give. In Yahushua's name, Amen. Thank you for watching and listening. If you found this to be a blessing, please consider sharing and liking. Also, please comment below on how we can pray for you and how this has blessed you. Yahweh bless and shalom to your homes.